today I'm going to be looking at this Carpuride 702 Pro. Now, just a little bit of a story behind this. So I started off YouTubing for different things, as you do, and then I started focusing on my Suzuki RG500 and motorcycling, and then I got an email from a Chinese company asking if I'd like to review this product. Now, first of all, I thought, why have they picked on me? And I thought it was a scam, but I ran with it, and after a few more emails, they sent me this, which I am absolutely amazed that they did, because it's not as if I'm a big YouTuber or anything. So there it is. It came through, and they have asked me to do this video, and they've also asked me if I could do one on the bike. Now, I can already see, you know, they've looked at my, I don't know what they've looked at. Why did they decide to send me this? Because this is, I'll check out, I'll put the price on the screen. This is several £100. I think it's about £300 or more for this piece of equipment. And I can already tell you, I think it will be miles too big for the RG500. I am going to look, because there's a Black Friday deal on at the moment, so I am looking to see if I can get a quad lock to sort of get it to fit, and it will be on the tank. So a bit of sort of work around there, but I'd love to use it, because when it arrived, I've seen a few other reviews of it, but as I say, I'm going to give my own personal opinion on this. But I have this sort of Android Auto CarPlay in my car, and it is really, really cool. So to have that on the bike does sound quite exciting. So like I say, they have sent me it. I'm going to be totally honest with the at the moment, I think it's a brilliant piece of kit from the outset, how it looks. Let's have a quick look at it. So I can already see that there's a sort of sun guard on the top. Looks really, really cool. So I'll get it wired up and get it working. So let's have a look. So yeah, that would no way fit in my cockpit of an RG500. You know, it's not an adventure bike, obviously, but I might be able to get it to fit sort of flat like that on the tank, because I'd love to use it. First impressions, it's not heavy. This is a bit plasticky but firm enough, and I understand you can switch this out just so it's like I think it connects into, you can obviously connect it to the mains battery of the bike. You can just connect it directly USB. A manual, so it's waterproof. Yeah, it looks really cool. Won't need the waterproof bit because I don't ride in the rain. But it's not an adventure bike, guys. Hope it fits. Yeah, looks really cool. Looks really, really cool. I also saw somewhere that I think it will sort of link up with either my phone or my my sort of intercom that I've got. Please forgive the light. It is getting dark already in the UK in the middle of the afternoon, because obviously we're in winter. But as you can see, I'm in the middle of my build of my RG400, and then the RG500's here in bits, because I'm working on this one as well. So just to step over all this. Oh. So where would this thing fit? It could fit over my clock, but that's gonna be, I don't know, that, because let me think. yeah, my clock moves, so that's not going to work. The only place I think it could go is here, which does look a bit weird, but that's the only place it's going to go. I mean, to be honest, it doesn't really fit, does it? What about on this one? Now this one works a bit differently in the fact that it could sort of fit there. Again, a bit weird, and I don't think it would actually. So it's not going to fit, guys, unless I can stick it on that arm, but then it covers everything, so it doesn't really fit on a bike. This is a sports bike. So the only thing I'm going to do is, and I have put something on here before. As you see, I've got a little connector there, actually. I don't know if you can see it in the light. I've connected a phone here before now. So if I can get a connector to connect on the back of this, it could fit there. It's a bit cumbersome. It's high risk of either flying off or being knocked off, but that's all I can do. So I'll fire it up, and I mean, it could go there, but again, it's sort of in the way. Few options. I'll see. It's beautiful. It's big. I bet it's brilliant. But for my bike, it's going to be a bit of a struggle to fit it on. Okay, so I've just got a little battery block here. Let's try this. 2 amps will do. Let's see what happens. Oh, here we go. Now I've heard that this is the sound is played from the BT trans output. Okay, well there it is. So apologies, you've got my ring light, but that looks really cool. No idea how it works, but it looks pretty straightforward. What's that one do then? Oh wow, that is cool. That is cool. So I can put a card in it, can make phone calls from it. Obviously I need the Bluetooth disconnect, so I just connect my phone. Wow, that is pretty. It is a cool piece of kit. It's quite self-explanatory. I've got only just those things on it. Okay. So yeah, let me just get it linked up with my phone. I don't know what this is, but let's just go with that one. Okay, needs a pass key. I think we'll just pair that. It just showed me one on here and a key code on here, and it was the same on my phone. So that looks like that is now going in. On the phone it's just said, did I want to connect? Wait, there we go. Okay, now it's changed to now connected. I've sort of got all my phone stuff. It's sort of, okay, that's cool. It's sort of emulating my phone, which that is really cool. It looks good. I don't like the sensitivity on the tap. I'll see if I can change that. Admittedly, obviously, because it's not secure on the bike. But only thing I would say, as I've repeatedly said, it's too big for my bike. But apart from that, it looks really good. I will do another video when I get it on the bike and we'll have a go with it. Okay, I have dug this out, which is from my Insta 360 camera, and I'm assuming because that's a ball mount, I could mount it on here. Just been back out to the bike, and I could fit this in various places, so it might not be all lost. It might work. I'll do another video, like I say, with mounting it and using it on the bike. As it's winter, that might be a little while away because I'm not going to go out in the winter. But yeah, it looks like a good unit so far.